Okay, yung B naman. So, yung B, sabi, ang first displacement niya is 200 km straight course, tapos at an angle 22 degrees east of north. Tapos, naging 80 km north before it reaches its destination. So, if you're gonna draw that, i-drawing mo yung unang vector. Okay, so this is 200 km east of north. So, pupunta sa east galing sa north. Favorite niyong gumawa ng module yung east of north. Mm, 22 degrees. Tapos, sabi, dumiretso siya ng north for another 80 km. So, yan. Let's say 80 km. So, yung resultant vector, parang sum of vectors. So, meaning from the tail of the first vector to the tip of the second vector. So, yan. So, ito yung resultant vector. Sabihin natin R. Okay, so paano makukuha yung R? So, ang gagawin mo, kukunin mo yung components ng bawat vector. So, what I like to do is to create a table. Create a table. So, andyan yung mga vectors mo. Tapos yung X and Y components. Ito yung, di ba dalawa yung vector mo? So, A, B. Yan, A, B. Tapos yung sum nila, yun yung magiging component ng vector R mo. So, ang gagawin mo dyan is, punta ka sa X and Y. Pag nandito ka sa A, so, di ba, pag nakaganyan, para kang merong component na pataas dito. Tapos, meron kang x-axis na paganyan. Okay. So, ito yung AY mo. Ito yung AX mo. AY mo is the adjacent side. So, cosine siya. So, 200 cosine 22. Yung AY mo naman is the opposite side of the angle. So, that's 200 sine 22. Ganyan. Tapos yung B mo, since purely vertical siya, wala siyang X component, puro Y lang. So, 0 yung X mo, yung Y mo is 80. Note that, parehas silang positive. Kasi yung X mo, east tsaka north. So, puro positive in directions na yun. Tapos yung Y mo naman, north. So, positive ulit yun. So, kunin mo lang yung total nila. So, teka lang, calculator na natin. So, 200 cosine 22 is 185.43. 0.44. 185.44. Ito naman, 200 sine 22 plus 80, diba? 154.92. So, ito na yung X and Y component ng resultant vector mo. So, parang, kumbaga sa triangle. Ayan siya. Ito yung RX. Ay, sorry. RY. RY. Ito yung RX. Ganyan. So, ang kailangan mo ngayon, itong side na to. Yung R. Tapos, itong angle na theta na to. Kasi yan yung right triangle na nabuo mo using yung diagram mo nito. Ito. Yan. So, to do that, para makuha mo tong R, Pythagorean theorem ka ngayon. R squared will be equal to Rx squared plus Ry squared. So, R is just equal to square root of rx squared plus ry squared. So, yun lang. So, rx is kung ano may nakuha mo. So for r na. Tapos, pag kukunin mo na may angle theta, diba? Ano yung meron ka rx and ry. So, makikita mo na yan yung sides na opposite. Yung rx is opposite the angle theta, and then the ry is the side adjacent to the theta. So, if you think about your SOHCAHTOA, tangent yun. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So, in this case, that's rx all over ry. So, tangent theta is rx over ry. To get theta, that will just be arctan and then rx over ry. So, yan. And then, para makita mo yung direction, so ito makukuha mo dito, yung angle mo, yung value ng angle mo. Makukuha mo yung direction. Sige, kunin natin to. Rx is 185. Tangent, arctan, 185.44 over 154.92. So, this will be 50.1. So, ito, degrees na yan. Ito yan, 50.1. Tapos, think about yung direction mo. Since pag ganyan yan, galing ka sa y-axis, papunta ka sa x-axis. So, r, teka lang, let's get the value of r ng atin. 185.44 squared plus, wait, sulat natin, 185.44 squared plus 154.92 squared. 241.64 km 50.1. So, if this yung angle mo, that would be east of north. So, ito yung final answer mo. Ayan. So, ayan na yung B.